Welcome back, children. So we have learned the international place value system, place value chart, and we have learned how to compare the Indian and international system. So now we are going to learn how to write the number name and how to insert comma according to the international system. Also we will be learning to write the place value. Okay. First question, write the number name in international system and insert commas. You have to insert comma according to the international system. So you have the first question here, 4, 5, 6, 9, 3, 1, 4. Numbers given to you. What you will do? First you will insert comma according to international system. How should you insert comma according to international system? I have told you, you have to take three digits at a time from the last. 1, 2, 3, this is the ones period. Again 1, 2, 3, this is the thousands period. And then in the millions period only one place has been taken. So this becomes the international system. After 3 digits you will put the comma. Okay, children? Now how to write in the number name? We know 4 is coming in the millions period. So first you will write 4 million. Okay, so millions period is over. Then you have the thousands period. Thousands period, there are 3 numbers. You should not read the numbers separately, 5, 6, 9, no. You should read it together. How do you read it together? 569. Yes, 569. And which is that period? That period is thousands period. So, 569,000. 569,000. That was thousands period. So, you have to write 569,000. Then you have the ones period. Again read the number together. 314. So, you get 314. Understood? First was millions period. So, 4 million. Then you had thousands period. 569,000. Then you had the ones period. 314. When you start writing the number name, first letter should be capital, rest everything should be small. Okay, children? Shall we move to the next question? Question B. 3, 4, 0, 7, 3, 8, 4, 1. First you insert the comma, starting from the last, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, so ones period, thousands period, hundreds period. Okay, children? Sorry, millions period. Now, in the millions period, you have 2 numbers. So, read the number together. What is the number? 34. So, you will write 34 million. Okay, 34 million. Next, thousands period. Again, 3 numbers, but first number is 0. So, we don't consider that. You take 7 and 3. What is the number? 73. So, you get 73,000. Because it is thousands period, so you have to include the 1000 here. 73,000. Then you have the ones period. Read it together. 841. 841. Understood, children? So, each period you have to read the number together. See here, when you read the number together, what was it? It was 569. Children, don't think that 5 is not coming in hundreds place, so why should we write 500 over there? It's not like that. You have to, whichever period it is, read the number together. If it is a 3-digit number, 100 will be there. So 569, 314. But when we came over here only 2 digits are given, 0 we don't consider. So you read it as 73. Now when you came here, 841. Understood, children? Next question. A very big number. Again, first you start putting the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Then 1, 2, 3. So all the 3 periods are here. Ones, thousands and millions period. Now starting from here, read the number together. 246. First you write that. 246. You have to write million, children, because it is coming under the millions period. Don't forget that. 246 million. So millions period is over now. Now we are moving on to the thousands period. Thousands period, you can see 3 digits are there, but first 2 digits are 0. So we will read it only as 4. So 4,000. Okay, so thousands period is over. Now we are moving into the ones period. 729. 729. Understood, children? So be careful. First you have to write according to the period. 246 million. Million has to be written. 4,000. 1000 has to be written. Then 729. Okay, children? Again, come on. Insert comma after every 3 digit. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Now read this together. Yes, 78. 78 million. Million is over. Now moving on to thousand. 367. So 367. Which period it was? Thousands period. So that 1000 has to be written here. 367,000. This common mistake that I have seen, you people forget to write that million and thousand. That has to be written according to the period. 367,000. Then you have 129. 129. Clear, children? So this is how you write in international system. Okay, so I'll give you one question for homework. You have to try it. Okay, children, you'll insert comma and then you'll write in international system. Write the number name in international system. Okay, children. Now, moving to the second set of question. Give the place value of the circled digit. Give the place value of the circled digit. Here you have to give the place value according to the international system. It's all the same. 2, 3, 4, comma 1, 9, 8. Here the circle digit is 3. Children, can you tell me 3 is in which place? Yes, 3 is in the 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10,000 is having how many zeros? 10,000 is having 4 zeros. So, the place value of 3 is 30,000. This will be the answer if it was in the Indian system also, isn't it? Now, let me see another question. 75,321,506. In this, 7 is circled. So, children, can you tell me 7 is in which place? This is a number in the international system. See the comma put? How is the comma put? After every 3 digit. So, understand from that, this number is in the international system. Numbers given according to the international system. So, can you tell me 7 comes in which place? Yes, 7 is coming in the 10 million place. This is the millions period. Millions period, first you have million and then you have 10 million. Okay, children? First you have million and then you have 10 million. So, 7 is coming in the 10 million place. Now, how will you write the place value? Place value of 7 is, we have to write as 70 million. For that, it's very easy. I've already told you, when you have to write the place value, you see which digit you have to take. First, you write that digit 7. After 7, see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This technique is told to you all last year itself. To write the place value is very easy. You take the digit and after that digit you see how many places are there. That many zeros you will put. Here after 7 you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places are there. So, you put 7 zeros. And then you put comma according to the international system. So, you got 70 million. See, 7 is coming in the 10 millions place. So, 7, 10 million means it is 70 million. In bracket you write and keep 70 million. Okay. This is read as 70 million. Now, see question. 4,856,304. In this, 8 is circled. So, tell me children, 8 is coming in which place? 8 is coming in which place? This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. You are having 100,000. So, 8 is coming in the 100,000s place. So, the place value is 800,000. Again, write the place value of 8 is. Write 8 first. After 8, you see how many places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. So, put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you put comma according to the international system. And then you can write in bracket how it is read. It is read as 800,000. 800,000. Okay. After 8 there are 5 digits. So, put 5 zeros. You will get the place value and it is read as 800,000. Clear children? Question D. 478,029,320. And here they have circled the number 4. So children, 4 comes in which place? This is the millions period. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So 4 is coming in the 100 millions place. So the place value of 4 is, write 4 first. After 4, see how many places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 places are there. So put 8 zeros. And then you put comma according to the international system. And how is it read? 4 is coming in the 100 millions place. So it is read as 400 million. 400 million. 400 million. Understood? So 2 questions I am giving you for homework. 3, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 9. And here the circled digit is 3. Then you have question F. 5,200,190. Here 9 is circled. So it is very easy to write the place value. You take that digit, write it first. After that digit, you see how many places are there and then put that many zeros. Okay. And then please write it in bracket how you read it. Okay. According to the place, you have to write it in bracket. Okay, children. Okay. Thank you.